Today I'm going to be attempting to sell one of the most saturated products ever sold online, which of course is workout leggings. This product has been selling like hotcakes ever since I can remember, and big brands like Adidas, Nike, Gymshark, and Lululemon have made an absolute killing off these. So I decided I'm gonna put myself to the test today, and I'm gonna be launching up this ridiculously saturated product on a dropshipping store and attempt to bank out big time. So I actually decided the website that I'm gonna be building today, I'm actually gonna be giving it away to one of you viewers. So to be eligible to win, all you need to do is give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment with what you liked most about this video, and I'm gonna pick the winner in the next one. What's up guys? Today I'm gonna be building this dropshipping store around these infamous workout leggings, and I'm literally gonna be showing you guys the entire process. While a lot of people think saturation is a terrible thing, saturation means demand, and demand means that we can get more sales. My goal is to position this product differently than other brands, so we're actually able to stick out amongst all the saturation. And this brand's definitely not gonna have any credibility because no one has heard of it before. So we're definitely gonna need a very unique perspective in order to actually make this challenge a success. And to source my products, today I'm actually gonna be using AliExpress because they did have some listings that shipped out from the United States. And there was one type of legging in specific which really caught my eye, which is this one right here. So I chose this product because it's anti-cellulite leggings, and obviously that's a huge insecurity of females that will be wearing this. So I think this has a really good positioning and it solves a massive problem. And I've even seen quite a few other stores promoting this, so that's a really good sign that these are already selling. Now that we have our product on lock, we need to figure out what we're gonna call our website. The first thing that came to mind was this peach concept. I've seen a couple brands in the workout industry niche go after this, but I haven't seen them for actual clothing. So the first website name that I looked up was Peach Apparel, and it was not available. But then I thought to look up Peach Attire, and that one was actually available. So I decided I'm gonna stick to that name because it sounds really clean and honestly more of a trustworthy brand. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna head over to Canva and get a logo made. If you guys haven't used Canva before, it is a really amazing tool to make any logos or graphic design stuff with pretty much no design skills whatsoever. What's really nice is they have a bunch of different templates that you can actually go through and make the logo. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick one of these logos, and then I'm just gonna put the text of our name, and I'm gonna see how it looks.
A few minutes later.
All right guys, so after like 3 minutes, literally no exaggeration, I made this logo and I think it looks good enough. Obviously it's not spectacular, but it's definitely gonna get the job done. So what we need to do now is get working on our website. So I'm gonna head over to Shopify and claim my free trial so we can start building this brand. After looking through our competitors' websites, I decided to go for this high-end but minimalistic look, kind of like what Lululemon and Gymshark have done. To build our store, I decided to use the Shopify theme Motion because I think it matches the branding that we're actually going for. Alright guys, so there we go. This is the website that we actually built. It took about an hour, but I think it's a really solid website and it's definitely gonna get customers in the door and pulling their credit cards out. For the homepage, we made it super clean and simple, and then in the product page, we made it dive into the functionality a little bit more and dig into the pain points of why this product's really good and why they need to actually buy it. Now that our website's actually ready to launch, we need to get to the drawing board and figure out how we actually gonna advertise these leggings. I started to do some competition research and look at what Gymshark, Lululemon, and these other brands are doing that actually makes them so successful. And I started to notice a huge trend of user-generated content and Instagram models wearing these products to actually promote them. And that's when I decided to go for the Instagram influencer approach, because that's exactly how Gymshark has built their billion-dollar brand. And I decided that's definitely a foolproof method to make sure that we make this a success. So I went on Instagram and started contacting influencers with large female demographics. My strategy here was to see if they'd actually model the product for us. And while I don't actually have stock on hand and the AliExpress listing was gonna take quite a bit for delivery, I got really lucky because I found the exact same product being sold on Amazon with 2-day shipping. So I decided for the influencers that contact us back, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna ship them the product on Amazon and they'll be able to tag us in their photos super quickly because we definitely don't wanna keep these influencers waiting. All right guys, I'm back and it's been 2 days since we initially reached out to those influencers and honestly, it's been absolute crickets. We've gotten literally 0 replies. I'm guessing it's because these influencers' DMs are literally filled to the brim. And sadly, I had to actually rethink my plan. So I decided to reach out to some meme pages and also look for some personal brands that are much smaller, as obviously it didn't work out when we contacted the larger ones. And I reached out to about 20 people, so I'm really hoping we can get some replies this time. Sweet guys, so some replies are actually starting to come in, but sadly it's only the meme pages. We literally haven't gotten back from any of the personal brands. And obviously the initial strategy was to get these leggings and send them the product so they can actually model it and take photos. But it looks like we're gonna have to really change things up right now. So I think I'm just gonna schedule one of the meme pages for today. I would have waited and contacted more people with personal brands, but I really want to get this video out as soon as possible. But if you guys want me to do ads with personal brands, then just drop a comment down below and I'll make a part 2 of this series attempting to scale this store to 6 figures. All right, so I've been doing some back and forth negotiation for the past few hours and I've actually just locked in a price for 3 story posts. I'm gonna be paying $125. And since I'm using a meme page and we aren't able to send the products directly to them, what I'm actually gonna need to do is I'm gonna build some of my own content. But luckily this product had a ton of good photos on AliExpress, but I really need to make sure to build this like right now because the post is gonna be live in a few hours. So I'm gonna go knock this out and check back in with you guys. I just finished the ad that we're gonna be running. This is what it looks like. I built this using the Instagram creator tool and my goal was to keep it super organic and try to make it as natural as possible so it doesn't look like a sore thumb sticking out on the Instagram's page. So the reason I booked 3 story posts is I'm actually gonna get all 3 posts up at the same time. And what this is gonna do, it's gonna give more time for the viewer to actually swipe up and go onto the website. And that way I'm able to post multiple photos of this product. So hopefully that will boost our conversion rate and make this a more solid ad.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so it's been about 18 hours since the ad has been live and I'm pretty excited to share the results with you guys this far. Okay guys, so we have 98 visitors total from this advertisement and we grossed a total of $143 in sales. So right now we actually have not broken even on our promotion, but we still have a few hours left of this post. But honestly, this influencer ad has given me a ton of hope. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna launch up some Facebook ads and I'm gonna see if we can actually recoup our profit. While the ad that we made for the Instagram story worked okay for what we did, it's definitely not gonna work for the Facebook ads that we're gonna run. So I'm gonna give my graphic designer a call and I'm gonna see if he can get us it in the next hour.
Shit, man, in the next hour?
Yeah, like we need it in the next hour.
Okay, I'll try, I'll do my best.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, so hats off to William. He actually got us the ad in like 1 hour and 15 minutes. I'm gonna put it right here. I think it looks really good and I'm really excited about this because what we're gonna be able to do now is we're gonna be able to take this ad, put it on Facebook, which hopefully will give us more sales, a larger reach, and I think this is gonna convert better than the Instagram influencers. So I'm gonna head over on Facebook and launch my campaign. Inside this campaign, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna have 5 ad sets inside of it, each targeting a single interest. And I'm gonna try to start the ads at $100 a day. So I'm gonna go launch them up and get back to you guys after some results start to come in. All right guys, so the ads have been running for a few days now, so let's hop into the ad manager and see how things are actually doing. Okay, so far we've spent a total of $130 and we've gotten 210 link clicks and a total of 6 purchases, which brings our cost per purchase to somewhere around $24. So our ads were actually performing pretty well and they were actually at a break-even point. So we were even making a bit of profit on top of this, but I did actually have to shut down the ads. And what happened was I talked to the AliExpress supplier and even though it said it was being shipped from the United States, there was still about a 20-day delivery time on it, and I just could not sell it anymore because I don't want to put my name behind a brand with 20 days shipping. So for the people who already ordered from us, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get them the items delivered off Amazon, and there's no way we're actually gonna be able to make a profit with this because we're selling the product for $34.99, and it's gonna cost us somewhere around $25 to get the product delivered to them. So I wanted to cut my losses pretty quickly here, but the results on Facebook ads were pretty nice, and I think if we continued to do this with a cheaper price point, it would have definitely been super easy to make profitable and make this challenge a super big success. But just to cap this challenge off, I'm gonna bring up the total sales number for this entire challenge, and I'm gonna show you guys if we actually made a profit or not. Okay, so throughout this entire challenge, we got a total of 335 website visitors and a total of $422.92 in sales. Despite the fact that we had some issues with the supplier, I think this challenge went really well. And if we didn't actually have this issue with the supplier, then we would have made quite a hefty amount of profit. And there is some ways that I could have got around this, like ordering bulk from Alibaba, but honestly, it's gonna be a lot of work for the volume that I have right now. So I decided just to close the store down as of this moment, but the store is still gonna be going to one of you viewers that have given a comment on this video, like this video, and are subscribed. So when you get the store, maybe you can try some of the tactics I'm talking about today. But nonetheless, I really enjoyed making this video, and I hope this video was super valuable for anyone who's getting into e-commerce, or they just want an entertaining video to watch. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, then please let me know down in the comments, and I'll do my best to make them as soon as possible. So everyone take care, and I'll see you guys in the next one.